Welcome. In this video, I'll take you through Spamdrain, a powerful spam filtering solution designed to clean up your inbox and make email management easy. If you're tired of sifting through countless spam and junk emails each day, Spamdrain could be your answer. With a user-friendly interface and high-level email filtering, Spamdrain promises to keep unwanted emails out of sight and out of mind. Spamdrain is known for its precision in filtering. It's compatible with most major email providers, making it ideal for anyone from small business owners to individual users who want a spam-free inbox. Setting up Spamdrain is simple. Once connected to your email account, it actively filters out spam and phishing emails, so you only see what you need to see. A standout feature is its customizable filtering rules. You could adjust sensitivity levels and allow specific emails or domains to bypass the spam filter, giving you more control over what reaches your inbox. Additionally, Spamdrain provides detailed reports of filtered emails, so you can always check what's been blocked. For anyone who wants peace of mind in knowing that their inbox is free of unwanted messages, Spamdrain offers a no-hassle approach to email management. Spamdrain is a paid service, offering flexible subscription plans, typically starting at $3 per month, with discounts for longer-term commitments. Though some might find the subscription a bit high compared to free spam filters, Spamdrain's dedicated features make it a robust option for those serious about email control. Let me quickly mention another handy email management tool, Clean Email. It's a great alternative for those looking for a broader email organizer, helping you sort and clean your inbox in just a few clicks. Check out Clean Email through the link in the description for an enhanced email management experience. On the downside, Spamdrain doesn't offer an entirely free plan, which might be a drawback if you're not ready to commit financially. However, the high accuracy in filtering spam and straightforward, report-based interface make it a strong choice. If spam and phishing emails are frequent disruptors in your workday, the added cost could be well worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more useful tool reviews and tips. And please give this video a like if you found it helpful.